Good morning children. In my last video we discussed about globe and maps, and today we will solve the exercise of the chapter. Section A, choose the correct answer. The first answer is poles. So poles are the extreme north and extreme south of the earth. And second answer is Magellan. The great sailor undertook the sea voyage to prove that the earth is round. Third is answer northwest. Which of the following is a subdirection? That is northwest. And a water body on the map is represented by the color, that is blue. Now second B section, that is match the following. So drawing of the earth, that is map. And Portuguese explorer, that is Ferdinand Magellan. Desert is in yellow color. Small model of the earth is called globe. Forest, that color is green. So section C is answer this question in details. The first question is, how did we know for the first time that the earth was round, not flat? So the answer is, first time the ship slowly disappeared at the horizons and the bow first and gradually the mast. The slow vanish of ship tells us that the shape of the earth is round, not flat. Next question, that is, what are the problems of a globe? So answer is, problems with globes are, first one, a globe does not show details of the landforms, location of small town and other such information. Second point is, globes do not show the entire earth at a time. And third point, large globes are difficult to handle. And the fourth point is, it is also difficult to carry globes around. Next question is third question, what are conventional signs and symbols used on a map? So answer is, conventional signs and symbols used on a map are, one is rivers, roadways, railways, temples, school, etc. So these places we use conventional signs and symbols. Fourth question is, what is a scale? How does it help in representing a place on a map? So answer is, scale is ratio of a distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground, and we find a small ruler like symbol in lower right side of the map. So these are the example of scale where representing a map place on a map. Children, now this is a D part, that is life skills. Here they given one question, so we'll read this. There was a time in the past when the people of the world thought that the earth was flat in shape. Yes children, people was not knowing that how earth look, what is the shape of earth. Okay, so what if our planet was actually flat and not round? Think about any three things that would have happened if the earth was not round. So think and try to do by yourself. Children, is E connect, this is the E section. Here they given the scale used on a map is 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometer. Find out the actual distance between the following places with the help of the distance given on the map. So this is related to the maths. Okay, so already I given here that 2.5 centimeter distance on the map. Okay children, we are talking about the map, so distance where they given, so the scale which we are using, so it shows that 2.5 centimeter nothing but the actual distance is 250. kilometer, and 3.7 is nothing but it shows 370 kilometer, and 10 centimeter it shows 1000 kilometer. Children, so here they given from group in the class, try to flip the pages of an atlas, find out the name of the some important cities on the atlas. So we here not we can't make here groups because we all are staying in home. So children, do it by yourself, search some important cities and write it in your notebook. Now this is the last question, that is a project work. Create a map of your neighborhood area. Try to use signs, symbols and colors to depict various parts of your neighborhood. So I shown here some sample here. So please do this on the chart. So this is your project work. So children, the class is over here. Thank you.